In this video, I'm going to show you a quick guide on how to change your computer name in Windows. So for us to get this done, let's just go ahead and basically open the Windows and then type here, view your PC name. So once you are in here, what you are going to do is look at your current device name. So here is mine as of the moment. Now what you're going to do is scroll down and look for the option to rename this PC. So I'm just going to click this one and I'm just going to go ahead and call this one, say for example, sample PC or sample underscore PC, and then click the next button in here. Oops, seems like it's invalid, so let's go ahead and choose another one. Maybe a personalized one is better. All right, let's go say for example like that. So I'm gonna click next, and seems like it is available. It's renaming the PC to that one that we have intended to start. So I'm gonna go ahead and click restart later, and as you can see, this is the name as of the moment, and once restarted you should be able to see this name here change. So yep, that is basically how it works, everybody. From this point forward, all you need to do is restart, and once you come back, you should be able to have that name already. And that is how you are going to change your computer name in Windows.